Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 29, Getting to know plants. In this worksheet we will learn about parts of flower. A flower is the most beautiful and colorful part of the plant. Plant का कौन सा part है? It is most beautiful and colorful part. It is attached to the stem or branch with the help of short stalk. छोटी सी डंडी से किससे अटैच रहते हैं? स्टेम और ब्रांच. And this short stalk is called pedicel. A flower has four main parts or main whorls arranged on the stalk starting from the base to upwards. A flower has sepals, petals, stamens and pistil. Pistil is also known as carpel. So first part or first whorl is whorl of sepals. These are green leaf-like structures protecting the bud. These are green leaf-like structures, small leaves. In the picture, this part is called sepal. They form the outermost wall of the flower. Second part is petals. These are brightly colored part of the flower. They have good fragrance and they attract insect for pollination. They form the next whorl of from the outside. So second whorl is made up of petals. They are brightly colored and they help in they attract the insects for the pollination. Third part is stamen. Stamen का function क्या है और what is stamen? Stamens are the male reproductive part of flower. Stamen क्या होता है बच्चों? Male reproductive part of flower. Each stamen consists of stalk and stalk is called filament and long bag-like structure that is called anther. So stamen has two parts. First one is filament and second one is anther. Anther is a sac-like structure or bag-like structure. It consists of pollen grains inside the sac or bag or inside the anther. Now pistil which is also known as carpel is the fourth part of the flower. It is female reproductive part of the flower. Pistil क्या होती है बच्चों? Pistil is female reproductive part of the flower. It consists of three parts. First one is ovary, style and stigma. In this picture, this part is called stigma. This stalk-like structure is called style, and last part of the pistil is called ovary. So pistil has three parts. First one is stigma, second one is style and third one is ovary. While stamen has two parts. First part is stamen anther and second part is filament, stalk-like structure. Now what is the function of flower? Function क्या है flowers के? The flower is the reproductive part of a plant. So reproductive part of the plant is flower. It has brightly colored petals which attract insect that help in pollination. किसको attract करते हैं ये petals brightly colored? Insects को. Why they attract the insects? These insects help in process of pollination. After being pollinated, the flower produce seeds. Pollination के कारण ही pollination के बाद flowers में क्या बनते हैं? Seeds. Now take two. This is a small activity for you. Take two different flowers from your surroundings and observe its petals, sepals. Then try to identify its stamen with the help of picture shown above. Slowly remove the petals and stamens from the flower so that you can clearly see the pistil. Record your observation in the table given below. You have to take two different flowers. First flower is rose. The details of rose are given to you. Name of flower is rose. Number of petals, number of sepals are numbered. Sepals number is 5. They are green in color. Number of petals, they are many, or they are different colored or colored petals. Are the sepals joined together or separate? So sepals are separate in the flower of rose. Stamens present or absent? Stamens are present. Pistil present or absent? Pistil is also present in the rose flower. So you have to give details of some other plant. You can write hibiscus, or hibiscus is called gudhal. So flower name is hibiscus. Number of sepals or colored 5, and they are green in color. Number of petals, they are also 5 and colored. They can be red or they can be yellow in color. Are the sepals joined together or separate? They are joined. Stamen is present, and also pistil is present. You can see this flower in the dry form. This one is hibiscus flower. Dried hibiscus flower. This part is stamen, and this part is pistil. These are red color petals, and this one is green colored sepals. Green colored. These are 5 in color and they are joined in this way. They are joined, and this part is called ovary. And these are stamen. Stamen has 2 parts, stalk, which is called filament, and anther. These are stigma, and this part is style. So this is the hibiscus flower. In Hindi it is called gudhal. So you can write about hibiscus or gudhal plant. Now we will discuss question answer. Your first question is, name the reproductive part of plant. So what is the reproductive part of plant is flower. You have to write flower. Flower is the reproductive part of the plant. Second question is, which part of the flower consists of stamen and anther. So this one is male reproductive part, and male reproductive part is called reproductive part. This part is called stamen. Third question, which part of the plant helps in pollination? So answer of 3 is petals. Petals helps in pollination. Fourth question, name the male and female reproductive part of flower. So male reproductive part क्या होता है बच्चों? Male reproductive part is called male part. Male reproductive part is called stamen, and female part is called pistil. So these are the question answer. Question number 5. Identify the diagram. You have to identify this diagram. This is the picture of ovary or transverse section or inner part of the ovary. In this, these smaller particles like structures are seen. These are called ovules, which convert into seeds. So this is the transverse section and this one is longitudinal section of ovary, and ovary contain ovules. Ovules convert in the seeds. Thanks for watching.